welcome. I missed Thursday and Friday, I believe. So, yeah, we're here now. I only need 1,000 to pass the Tradify account. The Bull Knocks are still like starting from the beginning, so like 3K still. And they're all 50K accounts. So that's what we're trading today. So let's get situated real quick. I have not done my analysis at all. It sucks because I have incomplete data, so it's difficult to like draw out what's important. Let's make sure I try all these settings out. Yeah, it's the best it's gonna get. Okay. I just have to take my best guess here. And since I have incomplete data here also, I'll make this on here. Just rather be safe than sorry. Okay. Let's see here. There's this, but put it on the side for now. Okay. I think that's it. That's a bit unnecessary. Okay. No, that's it. I'll leave it alone. Put a little too much. But since we're working with incomplete data, I'd rather be safe than sorry. Okay. And then let me do my London 3 to 8. Then my initial balance 8:30 to 9:30. Okay. I think I'm done. Alright, yeah, my analysis is finished here. Let me create my zones. Make this one a bit bigger. Okay, and put my lines here. Let's make it red. And then I need to put my line at 11, and then I'm officially done. There it goes. I like this. Let's see what standard deviation is at. I kind of want this. I'm not sure yet. We got that 1 minute body close just happened over the orange line. I like it. There's something I wanted to check real quick. This red zone I had my eye on. I kind of want the 1 minute body close over it. Yeah, we got 33 seconds. Let's see if I can put my trade on here. TP, so. Okay. See what happens here. I might rip my order off because how the 1 minute candles look. I still want a reaction on the zone too. This zone didn't really ever fill out. Here, I'm gonna get rid of it. I only need 1,000 to pass. Like 1,000 and not even like nine something. Let's see though, because I'm uncertain about this. I don't like how we're floating. And the sweep is really weak. Let's see right here. But I like how we double tapped it. Like technically broke structure twice. I really like those plays a lot. So let's see if we react. Okay. Perfect tap. I like it. See if there's anything. We're just in that incomplete data area. I hope we get filled now instead of just taking off. Then we might not come back at all. That would suck. I see this here. I'll mark it out. If this trade works out, we pass another account. If I would have got just continued getting Tradify accounts, they would have been passed already. But since I made the mistake and got Bullnox ones, just making it a bit more difficult. I shouldn't have done that. Because just because it's rhythmic and it's like not working fluidly with the copier, should have been like the last prop firm I mess with. I might move on from this. Just give it a minute. Oh, what's going on today? February 3rd, 9 o'clock, 10:30. Oh, a lot of people speaking today. Okay, won't even be around though when that happens. Got the entire session. We only have one trade available. Mm. So we're clearly bullish. We're trying to take a bullish trade right now. I don't like taking plays before 9:40 typically Central Time. Unless it's really clean. It was really clean. We're getting really far away from it now. We're still getting 1 minute body closes to go up. We really have nothing to hold us down or pull us down. I'm still confident in the play, but I would need us to tap again before entering because I was waiting for it and we tapped and I was afraid we were going to take off and we did that just exactly. We took off. We might not come back at all because if you look on the 15-minute, this gap right here, there's no like candles for us to read. We're more likely just going to fill it out first. We don't really chop in these areas. We typically move pretty hard. So that's what my theory is, that we're going to continue going up. But the market can do a million things, so we have no idea. Just always moving forward with my best guess. So you should be doing the same. Give me 1 second. Trying to check something real quick. Thanks for sitting here with me and watching paint dry. We'll see if this red zone delivers. Maybe we'll find a bullish plane here. Maybe we won't. We'll see. This zone being on top makes me like this zone more. Because we'll run it, and then the steam will take a break for a pullback, and it's coincidence that our play is in that spot. Okay, so my whole like hypothesis and idea is still playing out. Hypothesis. If any factors change, then I can understand to switch to bearish. So right now I have all these confluences and reasons why to take the trade I'm taking. Everything seems solid at the moment. The only thing I don't like is just that the zone got formed before 9:40 Central Time. So I have some doubts. So I typically still want a reaction before entering. If I don't get one, I'll rip my order off. So on the higher time frames, like we're clearly very bullish, like very clearly bullish. Oh, thought I saw something trying to form here. Oh, this might play out. Maybe yellow, just in case it holds. Come on, buddy. Let me open these blinds up so there's some more light in here and whatnot. So give me a second. I can take the mic with me actually. Hope you're all doing good this afternoon, evening, morning, night that is for you. If you are across the world. Hope you're living every day happy, positive. Understanding that you are privileged. You're grateful. Because it could always be worse. It could always be so much worse. So I marked out this yellow zone given how I saw it like being made, like in the process. So I was gonna draw it, but then I saw the pullback. Then it gave me more confluence. We might hold, so that's why I have it marked out. But it looks like right now that it's gonna mitigate it. Yeah, it just got mitigated. So now I might bust through now, or we might continue going up. And if we continue going up, we can use this zone to like confirm us bullish, even though we're already confirmed bullish. Just more confluence. Because typically, if it does hold pretty early, it stays holding like throughout the session, and you can use those zones to really gauge direction. So we got mitigated. It's now very weak. And mitigated means that it failed the 40 or 50% and then touched that blue line that's in our zones. This blue line right here, like in the squares that we make. So price comes in, touches 40 or 50, then touches the blue line, the zone's mitigated. So it either has to go up or down. The zone above is holding, this yellow zone is holding. This red zone has yet to be mitigated. This zone right here. The idea was that we're gonna come in, play a little bit, and then come out. We would have our steam would be over with, so then we could get another pullback. Let's see. I've taken plays like what I just explained right now, and this is typically like exactly what happens, like what is happening now. Come on, it wants to break this yellow zone. I'm surprised it's still holding. I thought this yellow zone was about to break right now. I hope we don't chop. That would suck. That would really suck. That's really all we've been doing. A lot of the big people speak today, I believe, and typically on these days we just chop for the session. Yeah, Fed, Trump, Fed, Fed, the Federal Reserve. If you currently do trade, if you look at all your stats, you can see if your performance diminishes after your first trade, or your two trades, or your third, or after three trades. There's like a million journals you can use, but you can quickly see like what your data would be if you just logged off after that first trade or that second trade. Because the longer you stay in the casino, you're eventually gonna lose. And if you're doing good with three trades, then keep doing that. Or if you're doing good with two trades, keep doing that. I think it does get to a point where like it becomes exhausting doing more than one. Just do it for so long. I like 1000% would rather uh, go for one trade with the size that would be using for three trades than having to do three separate trades. Because I really just take that loss and go on with the day. It sucks. But I had to move on. Just didn't really. I really did not want to. We're just floating too much, and this makes my zone irrelevant. Because what if we have something, this incomplete data area, that really switches us to bearish, and I'm trying to take this counter trend trade. Because I was hoping we'd be comfortless by now, but it's taking way too long. It's too dangerous. I should just see how we react if we do break this yellow zone. And if it's too aggressive and we're not like getting strong pullbacks, then I can't take this. But I always talk about we do two things. Either we move up and down really fast or real hard, or we chop. So we're chopping. A move is about to happen soon. Just don't know if it's gonna be up or down, and I don't know how strong the move's gonna be. So if it's too strong, I need to get out the way. Let me get something real quick. Hello, my new viewer. I saw this lady in the elevator today, and she was all like dolled up, and I thought she had a baby in her stroller carrier. And because I was conversating with her, and I look closer, and it's not a baby. It's like a Shih Tzu, like a baby dog. It was funny. It was cute. I just realized it's been a while since I've seen a dog in a stroller. But I told her I was like, it's cute, like the lover girl fit, like doing it. It's pretty badass. I love seeing people show up for others, and like showing up for their animals is sweet. So earlier I was saying how we mark these zones out. They typically last like for the session, and they hold for the session. That's what it looks like is happening. I was able to spot this when it first got created over here, solely because the strength of the sweep. So like we flicked down and flicked up. I was like, oh, this is a zone of interest. Keep in mind too, I'm always saying the same things. I'm always doing the same things. I'm never ever doing anything different or unique. I just have a consistent checklist that I'm always checking and always just like repeating habits. The hard part is just sitting on your hands and being patient. And like really decide if you want to take a play or not. If you're in the mentorship and you haven't gone through the course yet, go through it. Let me know if there's anything I need to adjust. Take notes. I had a mentee complain about the course, this and that, but it's because he hasn't taken any notes at all, and he's so impatient. And I even gave him the opportunity to. I was like, "This is a while," and this is the type of people like, uh, it's so from the beginning. He wanted to get in for free, and he was like, "I'll pay you back." And I was like, "No, go get a job. If you get a job, I'll let you get in, and then you just pay me back." Like just being sweet and heartful. And typically, when like his character, just the type of person he is and his habits, given who he is, it upsets him that he can't come into here and be profitable immediately. And so then he doesn't take accountability. He's not showing up. He didn't take any notes at all. He's just a big wreck. And the truth is, he's not being an adult. He's not stepping back. He's not doing what he needs to do. He's still chasing so much gratification outside the screens. He has no patience. Like there's just so much growth for him to still go through. And I have a section for that in the course, and he hasn't made any efforts or done anything to fix it. Uh, what I'm trying to get here, explain here, is that that type of character and that person, you don't want to be that person in your life anymore. You come into trading to get rid of that old person. You become profitable because you're throwing away that self sabotage, those bad habits, like the miserable life that you've been living for so long. And I promise you, the money's not going to change anything. I promise you can make 100K tomorrow, and you might think things are good for a little bit, but your mindset never changed. And unless you're a full blown adult and you have patience and you can take accountability, you can have fluid conversations with people. You don't have all this anxiety. You don't have substance abuse addictions. Like you just know how to be free and live. You'll be profitable so fast because you understand. Like you understand life. The tell is that 98% of people fail in trading, and I think like only 3 or 4% of people stay profitable in props, which means makes sense. Like the data matches. So like, what makes you think that you can come here into here with a ill mindset or not? If you're not striving for more. And this example about this mentee, uh, I'm pretty confident he'll wake up eventually and he'll start showing up and he'll start getting results. It's just gonna take him a second. But these are things I don't sugarcoat. Like I will tell him because I want what's best for him. Okay, so I'm not liking this. A lot of strength. Let's see. I need a tap still. Pullback. I like it. The steam, like I said earlier. Okay. I didn't expect the pullback to happen. Looks good. Looks good. I'm still liking it. And we're okay with the loss. It's only like $1,200 or 13. But we only have one trade a day now, so if win or loss, I have to hop off. I might backtest. I don't know. Okay. Healthy pullback. Let's extend this out. This is my hypothesis here. So we got our pullback, and then we're going to come down, and then do that same pullback we just had happen right now. It's going to happen again. So then that would fill us out. So this yellow thing is pointless. This red zone just got mitigated. If we 1 minute body close over this red zone, I need to move on. I can't be holding this position anymore. Dude, come on. The 15 minute looks crazy. Like super bullish. Peter! Absolutely nothing right now. I'm trying to cancel out this play that I'm trying to take right now. Uh, if we close above this red zone, then I'm taking my order off. I've just been sitting in doing nothing because the session started and we've only been moving sideways. I found a zone before 9:40 Central Time. I don't really like taking zones before 9:40, but it's been holding and it's in a good spot. But if we close above this red zone, I'm not gonna take it. We also have a lot of people speaking today, like later in the day, and as you've been showing up, you know, near in the New York that we chop when that happens. So I'm really hoping that we get a move or something. I don't really like how we're in this floating area on the 15 minute. Like we don't have any candlestick data right here to tell me anything. Oh, let's see if we get that 1 minute body close above this. We're respecting it. It's good. I just do not think it's gonna hold. Oh, I'm surprised it's holding. Oh, I'm just ready to take my order off, and it's still giving me what I want, so I can be patient. Mm, 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 mm. Mike Chicken. Let me tell the people in the Discord I'm live. Everyone. Okay, done. Hopefully, we magically come down and fill me out, and this trade works out and we pass. Since we're doing nothing, I can show y'all something. It's pretty funny. It's fun. I made this a while ago. If I can find it. There it is. When I was unprofitable, I had like this whole routine stuff, but the biggest thing was expectations. So like the monkey having a banana in the cage, that monkey is expecting to get this banana just as if you would be expecting to win the trade. So you're already spiking your emotions, you're going crazy, you're not grounded at all because you're just like the monkey with the banana in the cage. Like the monkey's gonna go insane. Like, give me that banana. Like, I expect to get it. Yeah, that's it. And then I had my quote unquote flow state routine. It was just to wake up. So like, wake up early, exercise, clean, meditate, study, whatnot. And then I like to do. I did. I haven't done it in a while. I would backtest every single day I traded still to be exposed more to that loss exposure. Because I had and with what every trader goes through, a loss aversion. That's what it's called. Where it's like you make. Yeah, I think it's loss aversion. Uh, it's like you win $100 and you're woohoo, and then you lose like $200. And it's like the end of the world. But at the end of the day, it was just not having a strategy that I could like fully commit to and stick to, and having someone to tell me what to do exactly. So I would just like always do this on my own, and I was lost. As soon as we break this red zone and get that 1 minute body closed, I'm ripping my order off. But we just have not done that yet. Hello, my new viewer. We're sitting here watching paint dry. We're on eval accounts. This one trade right here would pass one of them. And yeah, if you are familiar with Rhythmic and CQG, two of the accounts are Rhythmic with Bullnox. That was a mistake. I should have done that like as my like last prop firm. So it's giving me issues. But the Tradeify one is about to pass. So. The Bullnox ones could have passed also, but the problem is I have to have Rhythmic open for this copier to work, and it won't let me use my full 7 contract size on the Bullnox. It's only letting me use like 2 to 3 contracts, which doesn't make sense. And so I just like I crossed it so the Bullnox is trading MNQ times two. So whatever I trade, it's just 1/10 or 2/10 of whatever I'm trading on the Rithmic connections. So they're gonna take a little longer to pass, but I don't know what else to do. I don't want to trade on Ninja or trade on anything else except TradingView. So what I'm gonna do is like on this next round of prop accounts that I get, I'm just gonna get a bunch, and then just let the Bullnox ones sit in the background, like slowly working. If you're curious, how many accounts you think you need to quit your job, it's like 3 to 5. Like you don't need more than 3 to 5. Because even like 5 accounts gives you enough savings. I think when you get to like 9 or 10 accounts, that's when things just get like stupid. Because then you're making your entire salary, like chunks of your salary at a time. It's still not breaking the zone I've been waiting for. Just keeps playing with me. It wants to try. It's like not ready to give up yet. Like it still wants to keep going. It's a good sign for our play. Had a zone this morning, but was too slow. Was wait for 20 minutes and played out. Dude, I hate when that happens. I hate when that happens. I know exactly what you're talking about. That's funny. That's so funny. That's like the whole testing your patience in London. This is gonna piss you off more and more. But you'll be okay. You're an adult. I think you'll be fine. That is funny though. I wonder how much you were risking. And if you don't know what to risk, just look at your drawdown. It's I don't know if it's in the day or intraday, whatever your trailing drawdown or in the day drawdown is. Just cut it to how many trades you want. So I'm typically cutting it to 3 to 4 trades, sometimes 6. If you want like 20 trades or 30 trades, then obviously risk less. But I think you have the emotional maturity and patience to over leverage and risk more. Because if you did blow the account, I don't think you it would be due to you being emotional or it would just be like a probability loss. Okay, I need that 1 minute body close. Let's see if we get it. So we didn't get the 1 minute body close over the red zone. Still interested in my play. Come on. It's good to hear that you're getting like your experience, Peter. Like you're getting this experience. I don't know what the word I'm looking for. But it's because you showed up. That's awesome. Like you know what you want in your life. Adrian, love seeing you here. We've basically done nothing. I've been trying to take this play, but I said no if we get a 1 minute body close above here, and it hasn't happened yet. So when that 1 minute body close does happen, I'll take my order off. But that's what's going on. We might continue just being sideways for the rest of the session due to all the people speaking today. Just in case y'all didn't save it last time, put it in the chat, the website to see the news. Ooh, maybe we can fill us out now. This is a good spot for us to drop and like still be okay to take my play. I just hope we don't keep chopping. That would suck. Sorry, 1 second here. Oh. I like this. I like what's happening. We're coming down. So this red zone already got mitigated, but there's resistance in between it, so more than likely might respect and react to it. So earlier, like my theory was saying that we're gonna come in, react, and then come down, then like react again. Let's hope that happens, because technically that same pattern that I was hypothesizing did happen. So let's see. I'm like really surprised we haven't had that 1 minute body close, but that tells me like we're not fully bullish just yet. Oops. I have to go use the restroom real quick. I'll be right back. Hopefully it doesn't go crazy and fill me and or hits my stop loss and I wasn't ready for it. I'm just gonna leave it on. But I'll be right back. Give me a second. I don't think it will though. I think it'll be okay. Okay, I'm back. I know my live is like behind. Like I want to say like 2 3 minutes. So like whatever I do IRL, you see it 2 3 minutes later. Which I guess is good because then like you wouldn't just be able to copy everything I'm doing exactly. Come on. I'm curious how back the time is. So it says, oh, it's not that much different. I thought it was a whole minute and whatnot. It's only like 15 seconds. Yeah, it's like 20 ish, 20, 30 seconds. Oh, let me close this. Okay. Maybe we'll get filled out here. If it's a win or loss, come on. Come on. Come fill it. Come fill it. No, don't go back up, please. Stop playing games with me. Oh well, it sucks. Mm-mm-mm. Ooh, I'm liking this. Let's see. I don't think I'm gonna take it though, but I do like it. I like how it got formed. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Okay, let's make this my main. Okay, I might just rip it off. I gotta see how we react. I do really like how it's formed. Okay, let's see here. Mm-mm-mm. I like how it got made off the 15-minute candle. And then we dumped immediately too after on the 1 minute. Let's see. Mm-mm-mm. Let me get ready to take it off. Let me be an adult here. And I didn't check a standard deviation. I'm pretty confident every standard deviation. Yeah, I did. Just need to double check. Let's see if any of our plays get failed before the end of the session. I'm having less confidence in this play now, given how we're reacting to the red zone. I am ready to take it out though. Where it is, I only need like 1,000. I only need like 900 actually. I forgot. We're just trying to play consolidation right now. Everything still looks good. We're still getting pullbacks. There's not an unbelievable amount of strength. I think we have like some light news again at 11 Central Time. Ooh. Mm, mm, mm. Damn, I think even like last Monday was like this too. Just chopping. Mm, 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 mm. I don't like this, but it's I'm trying to play chop. I'll try to play the accumulation. So what can I expect? Is there anything I miss at all? No, there's this too, but it's pretty ass. Hmm. Kind of liking this. I just like the tap. It's so strong. It technically is a first flip though, but I like how the 1 minute candles look on it. Ah, that's a lot to think about. Okay, hold on. I'm more likely might pass on this. I just like how like it overall looks really really good because the tap happened with volume. It left with a lot of volume. It's at the entrance of a zone. It's not like sitting on it. Oh, my play's being respected up here too. Let's see. I'm ready for a loss too, by the way. Like, if we take a loss, we take a loss. Whatever. Let's see if we get filled out. I like this tat. It's respecting it. We've been respecting it. Come on. Give me a reaction, please. Don't play games. Do I see anything on the higher time frames? No. Everything looks solid so far. Nothing seems immature or out of pocket. Come on. Yeah, I think I should take it off because I'm not liking that. Okay. Solid reaction. That's fair. Alright. It's reacting not to my zone, it's reacting to the red zone. It's not fair anymore. I don't like it. It's pulling back still, which is good. So I don't want to be too impulsive here and rip it off because it is pulling back. Okay, too pretty of a tap, which is scary. Ouch. It's like clearly disrespectful. Yeah, I think I have to move on from this. Okay, let's see here. Mm. If we break this high right here, I'll be interested in this. I didn't place the order. I like put it there to. If I press buy, it'll place it. So it's not placed right now. It's one tap. It's our second tap. Let me get some more water real quick. Oh, almost fail. Okay. We broke that high. I'm interested now. That's why. Ideally, I want to fill out the zone before coming back down. It's taking a sweet time. Yeah, this makes me like the zone below more since we are rejecting this zone above. Hmm. We haven't had our third tap yet on the zone. We've had our two taps. If we swim here too much, I have to take it off. Oh, we just crossed 40. I just got filled. Oh, I think I only got like one contract. Oh. Oh, this does not look good. This does not look good at all. I think only, yeah. This doesn't look good. I'm gonna take this off. Well, we have no expectations. If our stop gets hit, our stop gets hit. It's a random amount of strength, which is so scary. Don't like it. Like going straight for the 50%. Let's see if that TP gets hit. I have it set where if TP gets hit, I pass the Trader Fire. Yay. Oh no! I'm like $20 away from passing the Tradeify one. That sucks. Let me see if I can get into this. How much is it? Ah, I need to be on MNQ. I don't want to risk it. Oh, you know what? I might. I just might. Because then I can just do this. Let's see. Yeah. So I only need like what, $20? See if I can do this little less. One tap, two tap. Okay, let me turn off the bonuses because I don't need to trade on. Come on. It's like I only need $20.90. Oh, I have to document the wins because I have a bad problem not doing that. Oops. Playing consolidation. Was it NNT plus or just? It was just the ones. It was lower than 1-to-1. Um, I put it like TP little closer into the box because I thought I had it set to the X amount to pass, but I was $20 off. So I'm trying to catch something for $20. So I risked like 1,000 or like 1,200. I don't remember what it was to make like 900. But I just because I put the TP in the box so I can pass the account. But I was apparently wrong. I should have just done to 1-to-1. And NNT plus would have also worked out too if I did that. Because it would have been the eternal swing and it would have been right here. Let's see. Oh, where's the short? I can find out what the RR was for NNT plus. Sure. Dude, I'm doing good. We're just passing these accounts again and again. Oh, 1.3. We're $20 away from passing the Tradeify account. This account right here, the one that you see, the 972. And like I have this crazy risk to reward ratio. I can like just try to play a small zone and hope that I don't take a loss. Let's see how it would look. Price is choppy right now. Yeah, dude. It's pretty bad right now. Hey, we found a play. Yeah, I think my best bet is just to go for this like minuscule zone. And then try to speak like $20, $30. I'm just trying to make 20, $30 to pass. Thanks for asking, though. See. Yeah, it ain't a plus zone. And if I don't get my $20 in, then I'll just take a trade and I'll risk like $200, like a real trade. Oh man, come on. I just want to press the market button, just get out of position real quick. Come on, come on. Okay, well, let's get rid of this nonsense. Oh, look, there's something here. Yeah. Try taking that too. I just want my $20. Take a small trade on EMA tap. Nah, I don't want to do that. That's dangerous. Thank you though. It's a good idea. You'll pass the account. Let's see right here. Let's see if we get a 35 bucks. Sir, how's it going? We're pretty good. We're $20 away from passing the accounts. So I'm trying to do right now. I'm risking $300 to make $35. No. Yeah, it worked out. We passed. All right. So that's what happened in the session today. We just passed the Tradeify account, and the Bullnox has made like what, $200. Yippee! Busy building up the mentorship. Yeah, let's go. That's awesome. I'm excited for you to start. I know I spoke to you. I love doing what I do, and y'all know I enjoy it. Let's close all these orders. All right. So that's basically all we do on these lives. We just keep passing these accounts. Yeah, I appreciate it. Thank you. We just over leverage because it could have not worked out. I could have got that $300 loss instead of the $35 win. We're playing a game of probabilities. I was pretty confident this play was going to deliver because I've been trying to go for it, but I already went for my one trade for the day, so there's no need for me to go for another play. But just to pass. But okay, and that's it. If you have any other questions about what's going on, what I'm doing, please ask. I'm super honest with you. I'm transparent. We're trying to pass all these accounts so we can get to 60, maybe 70 by the end of the year. I think we can. And that's it, yeah. Well, thank y'all for those who stuck around with me and watched paint dry with me. We did do nothing. We moved sideways, but I was still able to find a play doing what I do. Thank you, Peter. Good day today, yeah. Let me make sure I'm out of all my positions here. Yeah, because the Bullnox are still open, I think. Yeah, the Bullnoxes were open. That's unfortunate. Oh well. I keep having issues with it. Sorry, we spoke a few weeks ago. My only question is, how many instruments do you trade? I only trade NQ and nothing else. I do not touch nothing else. You can trade the strategy on any market, any time frame, but NQ is the most like fluid, volatile, consistent. Just stick with NQ. And it's like one of the most traded futures too, I think. You can try ES, but just stick with NQ. Yeah, that's it. Well, thank y'all so much. And I got nothing else. I'll be back tomorrow with more accounts to pass. But okay, if y'all haven't joined the mentorship, get into it. If you have any questions, you can message me on Instagram. You can message me on the Discord. I have my Instagram in the description. I have a lot of the good stuff in the description also. And my last thing was, the Discord scammers. Just make sure my name matches like the same Discord username that's messaging you, because there's scammers copying my username and copying my picture, and like you'll know because like they'll ask you weird stuff about like crypto or something, like something dumb. But all right, thank y'all so much for joining me. I hope y'all learned something or gained some insight. And yeah, all right, well, T2IL, I appreciate y'all. And once again, thank y'all so much for showing up. All right, see y'all later. And thank y'all for the ones who left a like. Okay, bye.